Hey guys, welcome back to the Torque Racing Production channel. My name is Roland, and I have a fun project for anyone who needs a welding cart, but they don't want to spend $300 to get one. Alright guys, so I happened to come across this right here. And a guy was throwing it in the trash. So I asked him, I'm like, hey, do you mind if I have that? And he's like, hey man, you know, have at it. It's all yours. So I got this for free. And I believe it's like an old, like one of those old TV stands or something like that. Anyways, so I got this for free. I went to Harbor Freight, picked up a few of these wheels. I think I got like 30 bucks in the wheels. And I've got all my welder equipment over there. So I'm going to deck this baby out, and it's going to be my new welding cart. So let's see how that plays out. All right, so first things first, I'm going to flip this bad boy upside down. Like so. Because I need to mount my wheels on here. I gotta be careful how I mount these because I don't want them running into that. So I'll make sure to space them out enough so they have room to swivel. If you're wondering why this is so muddy, that's because it was in the flood. Now we need a drill! Alright, now we find some bolts to fit it. And it'll still hit. Now, I'm having trouble finding bolts with matching nuts. That's not too long. So initially I was going to use bolts put on these, but every bolt that I had kept running into it, like it was too long, so the swivel wasn't going to be able to swivel. And it's 2 o'clock in the morning, so I can't run to Lowe's. So I'm just going to weld it. Okay, so now my cart can roll around, which is great, but I still have a problem. I don't have any place where I can put that big tank for my TIG. So I have an idea for that. So what I have here is just a regular old chunk of steel, but I have a good idea for it. So now, put our plate back up here. Bonk. Bonk. Alright, so I know what you're thinking. There's no way this flimsy little piece of metal is going to be able to hold the weight of that tank of argon. You are correct. Until I put another wheel under it. Then it'll do just fine. That ought to do it. Now I should be able to mount that big tank of argon right here. All right, so I looked around. I don't have any chain. I definitely want to use a chain with like a D-hook for this later for sure. But for now, just so I can get everything situated, I'll use some good old trusty 550 cord. Well, there you go, guys. 30 bucks, and I have myself a pretty decent welding cart. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, now that I've got my TIG welder set up, by the way, this is my very first TIG welder, so I'm super excited to give this thing a try. But now that I have my TIG welder set up, hopefully the next video will be me taking on the very arduous task of making a custom set of 8-into-1 headers. I've never made headers before. This is going to be tough, to say the least. But stay tuned for that, guys. And like I said, as always, super appreciate you guys. Love y'all so much. Catch you guys later.